The Apple iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A1 II represent the pinnacle of innovation in their respective fields. The iPhone 17 Pro stands as a flagship smartphone, blending cutting-edge technology with everyday versatility. In contrast, the Sony A1 II is a professional-grade mirrorless camera, engineered for photographers and videographers who demand exceptional image quality and performance. Both devices are designed with premium materials and advanced features, catering to users who seek the very best in mobile and imaging technology. While the iPhone 17 Pro excels in seamless integration and multifunctionality, the Sony A1 II is tailored for specialized creative work, setting new standards in the professional camera market. The design and build quality of the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A1 II reflect their distinct purposes. The iPhone 17 Pro features a sleek, modern construction with a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, protected by Ceramic Shield 2 and framed in aluminum alloy. Its slim profile and IP68 rating make it both stylish and durable for everyday use. In contrast, the Sony A1 II is engineered as a professional mirrorless camera, boasting a robust body built to withstand demanding shooting environments. Its full-frame sensor and compatibility with various Sony E-mount lenses emphasize its versatility for photographers. While the iPhone prioritizes portability and seamless integration into daily life, the Sony A1 II is designed for reliability and performance in professional settings. When it comes to performance, both the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A1 II excel in their respective domains. The iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the A19 Pro chip, which delivers enhanced speed and efficiency for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. With 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options up to 2 TB, users benefit from smooth operation and ample space for media and files. On the other hand, the Sony A1 II features the Eon-Z XR image processor, designed for professional photography and videography. This processor enables high-speed continuous shooting at up to 30 frames per second and supports advanced autofocus capabilities, including real-time eye autofocus. Additionally, the A1 II is capable of recording 8K video, making it a top choice for professionals who require exceptional image quality and performance. Each device showcases cutting-edge technology tailored to its target audience, whether for versatile smartphone use or specialized imaging tasks. The camera systems of the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A1 II are designed for distinctly different users and purposes. The iPhone 17 Pro features a versatile triple 48-megapixel fusion camera setup, combining a main wide lens, a periscope telephoto lens with 4x optical zoom, and an ultra-wide lens. This configuration enables users to capture a wide range of scenes with impressive clarity, while advanced features like Dolby Vision and ProRes RAW support enhanced creative possibilities. In contrast, the Sony A1 II is equipped with a large full-frame sensor offering 50.1 megapixels, delivering superior image quality and dynamic range for professional photography. Its autofocus system includes real-time eye autofocus for both humans and animals, ensuring precise and reliable focus in challenging conditions. The A1 II also supports 8K video recording, making it a powerful tool for high-end videography. While the iPhone excels in everyday versatility and convenience, the Sony A1 II is engineered for demanding professional use. When comparing battery life and pricing, the differences between the iPhone 17 Pro and the Sony A1 II become clear. The iPhone 17 Pro offers impressive endurance, with up to 33 hours of video playback and rapid charging capabilities that reach 50% in just 20 minutes. Its starting price of $1,099 for the base model makes it accessible to a wide range of users seeking advanced features without a prohibitive cost. In contrast, the Sony A1 II utilizes a professional-grade NP-FZ100 battery, delivering approximately 530 shots per charge, which is suitable for intensive photography sessions. However, Its premium price of around $6,800 for the body alone reflects its specialized focus on professional imaging. Ultimately, the iPhone 17 Pro balances long-lasting battery life with a competitive price, while the Sony A1 II prioritizes professional performance at a higher cost. In summary, the Apple iPhone 17 Pro stands out as a versatile device, ideal for users seeking a powerful smartphone that excels in everyday tasks, communication, and advanced mobile photography. Its seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem and robust camera features make it a compelling choice for those who value convenience and flexibility. On the other hand, the Sony A1 II is purpose-built for professional photographers and videographers who demand top-tier image quality, high-speed performance, and specialized controls. With its full-frame sensor and advanced autofocus capabilities, the A1 II is best suited for creative professionals working in demanding environments. Ultimately, the iPhone 17 Pro caters to a broad audience looking for an all-in-one device, while the Sony A1 II serves as a dedicated tool for those pursuing excellence in visual media production.